Hi everyone! I'm making here a simple pansit with sardines. You can get this Filipino sardine and this pansit bihon in a grocery store in a Asian aisle if you're interested of making this recipe. Just leave it for a little bit. Salt, pepper, some soya sauce, and I will add water and let it simmer a little bit. Filipino sardines. The chopped cabbage. Simmer for a little bit. And now I will add the pansit bihon. You get it is in a Filipino store. Soak this pansit bihon for about half an hour before adding. This is very simple way of cooking pansit for a Holy Week. For Catholic people, not supposed to eat meat. Now my pansit is ready. And let's eat. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.